This tutorial is to walk you through setting up a folder for your argument research paper. So I went to my drive. I'm going to click on new and I'm going to click on new folder. At the top here, I'm going to name my folder argument essay followed by the year. And I'm going to click on create. So that automatically creates for me a folder. Now, I like to make my folders different colors, something that would catch my eye. So I'm just going to click, just give this a different color so it's red. Okay, and then I'm going to open it up, and inside I am going to create a new Google Doc. So this Google Doc is going to be for my research articles. So I'm going to title it Research Articles. And then I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to scroll down to Page Numbers. And I'm going to choose the page numbers in the top right-hand corner. And in front of the number 1, I'm going to put the cursor. I'm just going to click and put the cursor there and type in my last name. So obviously you will be typing in a different last name for yourself. But this makes sure that if I need to print this for any reason, that my last name is on there along with the page numbers. Then you're going to go up to the share button. And I need you to add me. So you're going to put McComb. Actually, you're going to put Amy McComb. All right. And then you're going to highlight my face, so it should pop up there, and click send. I also need you to change the link so that it says anyone with the link. Okay, and then you can click done. And now we're going to find our research articles. Any article I find, I'm going to copy and paste in this document. So let me walk you through finding your research articles. So I'm back in Schoology. I'm going to click on the daily slides and this week's folder. All right, so here's the presentation that I went through with the instructions, step by step of what you need to do, the slides. I want you to click on the argument essay instructions. This is that document that I gave to you, and it walks you through this essay and what this essay will look like. So you're going to scroll down, and here we have the link to the articles. Okay, so I'm going to open up, follow that link. And I'm choosing one article from group A. So there are 3 choices. So I might need to go through and read each of the articles to determine which article I want. You're going to choose one article from group B and one article from group C. And so once you've done that, let's say I chose the first article here and I really liked it and I wanted it. I'm going to go through and I want to copy and paste this information. So I could just go up here, copy and paste it. Oops, it's kind of disappearing on me. Okay. I don't know why this is disappearing. Okay. So I could do a Control-C. I'm going to go back into my research articles and I'm going to paste it there. Okay, I have to get the top information as well. so that I can fix that. All right. So once I have that, that's great. Now, if that does not work for you, what you will need to do is, let's say I try to do this and I'm unable to, like it keeps disappearing, you know, the highlighted stuff. What you could do is save it to the cloud. So you would just click the Save to Cloud button. I click on my Google Drive. Okay, so it says success. It was successfully saved to Google Drive. So then I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to go to my drive. And so here's the document right here. Okay, now I might have to go through and, you know, adjust a few things. Like I don't need all of this, but I do want to keep the bibliographic information, because that's going to come in handy later on. So I just want to kind of clean things up a little bit as much as I can. So this is my document. Now you'll notice that this is not the same one that I created before. So this part is what might be kind of a pain in the butt, is copying the whole thing, doing a Control-C, and then going into my research articles and doing a Control-V. Again, you've already shared this document with me, and we want to make sure that all 3 of your research articles are in the same document. Okay, so now I just need to go back to my social media articles. I'm going to choose another article. This one is on the influence of social media. So I'm going to download this one. And again, I'm going to go through, I'm going to save stuff. Okay. And just, it might be, again, kind of some putsy stuff, but we have to do it, unfortunately. So I'm going to make sure that I put this new article on a new page. Okay, and this one is really a pain in the butt because it's a PDF. So I might have to putz with it a lot. But again, it's doable. We can get this, we can do this. So again, you want to make sure that you have shared your document with me. So you're going to share it with Amy McComb. Okay, and then again, you have also hopefully changed the link so that it's anyone on the internet with this link can view. If you have questions, please ask. But again, our goal is that by next class period, excuse me, not next class period, by next Monday when you come to class, so that will be the 10th, everyone has 3 articles. Again, if you have questions, ask. Please use this time wisely. Good luck, everyone.